Hello everyone, I am Mr. Arvind Kute and welcome all of you on my YouTube channel. In today's video lecture, we are going to discuss some multiple choice questions which are very useful for the final year examination of BA, which is going to be conducted very soon. Savitribai Phule Pune University Pune has declared examination schedule of final year students. For this purpose, online practice exams have also started. Students appear to be confused about multiple choice questions. However, they do not understand exactly how to prepare for this examination. I have created a questionnaire to help students for this exam. Please watch this video towards the end to get the complete set of 100 important questions, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's discuss some specific questions from the questionnaire. Unit 1, Uncle Podger Hangs a Picture by Jerome K. Jerome. Who finally gets to the point of actually hitting the nail in the wall? A. Uncle Podger. B. Maria. C. Aunt Podger. D. Children. Correct answer is A. Uncle Podger. Who hits his finger instead of the nail? A. Uncle Podger. B. Maria. C. Auntie Podger. D. Children. Correct answer is Uncle Podger. Who wanted Uncle Podger to tell a week in advance if he was going to do such work again? A. Uncle Podger. B. Maria. C. Auntie Podger. D. Children. Correct answer is C. Auntie Podger. Who was given the task of holding the light? A. Uncle Podger. B. Maria. C. Auntie Podger. D. Children. The correct answer is B. Maria. Uncle Podger hangs the picture. A. Crooked. B. Properly. C. Broken. D. Secure. Correct answer is A. Crooked. Uncle Podger hangs a picture is an excerpt taken from Lady. B. Three Men in a Boat. C. Three Brothers. D. 12th Night. Correct answer is B. Three Men in a Boat. Unit 2, How Wealth Accumulate and Men Decay by George Bernard Shaw. G.B. Shaw supports A. Capitalism. B. Egalitarianism. C. Humanitarianism. D. Socialism. Correct answer is C. Humanitarianism. 8. The title has been taken from an original work by A. Shaw. B. Wordsworth. C. Goldsmith. D. Coleridge. The correct answer is C. Goldsmith. Shaw develops the image of pin making to show the futility of the claim of A. Capitalism. B. Egalitarianism. C. Humanitarianism. The correct answer is A. Capitalism. The father of economics is A. G.B. Shaw. B. Adam Smith. C. Leo Tolstoy. D. Amartya Sen. The correct answer is B. Adam Smith. Unit 3, A Retrieved Reformation by O. Henry. Jimmy changes because he falls in love with A. Agatha. B. Mary. C. Annabel. D. Valentine. The correct answer is C. Annabel. What advice does the warden give Jimmy just before Jimmy is released from prison? A. To go away. B. To live straight. C. To stay in jail. D. To marry. The correct answer is B. To live straight. Jimmy give his toolkit to A. Ralph. B. Annabel. C. Agatha. D. Billy. The correct answer is D. Billy. What does the clerk hand to Jimmy as he is released from prison? A. Bread, B. Money, C. Wine, D. Tools. The correct answer is B. Money. Jimmy saw in front of the Elmore Bank A. May, B. Annabelle, C. Agatha, D. Billy. The correct answer is Jimmy saw Annabelle in front of the Elmore Bank. Unit 4. How much land does a man need? By Leo Tolstoy. Who were Bashkirs? A. Russian, B. American, C. English, D. Latin. The correct answer is A. Russian. Who overhears the conversation of the two sisters? A. Pahom, B. Bashkirs, C. The devil, D. Angels. The correct answer is A. Pahom. What was the deal of the Bashkirs? A. 100 rubles a day, B. 50 rubles a day, then C. 10 rubles a day, and D. None. The correct answer is 100 rubles a day. Due to his Pahom suffered at the end. Due to his Pahom suffered at the end. A. Laziness, B. Greed, C. Love, D. Health. The correct answer is due to his greed, Pahom suffered at the end. How much land does Pahom need? A. 100 acres, B. 1000 acres, C. 5 feet, or D. 6 feet. The correct answer is D. 6 feet. Unit 5. On the Rule of the Road by A.G. Gardiner. In the essay on the rule of the road, we have theme of A. Liberty, B. Frustration, C. Equality, or D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. The essay on the rule of the road is taken from Gardiner's A. Prophets, Christ and King, 1908, Pillars of the Society, 1913, C. Windfalls, 1920, D. Lives in the Vine, 1920. The correct answer is D. Lives in the Vine, 1920. Unit 6. The Pleasure of Ignorance by Robert Lind. In The Pleasure of Ignorance by Robert Lind, we have the theme of A. Discovery, B. Confusion, C. Inquisitiveness and Ignorance, D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. I hope this video will be useful for your preparation of final year examination. To download a set of 100 important multiple choice questions, visit the link given in the description box, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.